What's going on, everyone? I'm back at it with another hard reset. Today we are doing the Cricket Outlast. If you have this phone and you forgot a pattern or a password and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete everything off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, and we would appreciate the support. Otherwise, let's get into this thing. You want to make sure that it's off first, and in this case it is. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power right there. And what we want to do is we want to hold the volume up and power at the same time. And that brings us right to our bootloader. And here it says volume up to select and volume down is okay. So if you hit volume up, it will go through the choices, but we're already on recovery, so we just want to hit volume down. And it takes a little bit to load. Well, not a little bit, but just a couple seconds or so. To get to the no command screen, to get past this into the actual recovery, what we want to do is hold power and then tap volume up and then let go of both buttons relatively quickly. So I'm going to hold power, tap volume up, let go of both buttons are pretty fast. From here, you want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select. So the volume buttons we want to use to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button. And from here, we can either reboot the system or turn the phone off. In this case, I'm just turning it off. But if you did hit reboot, it would load to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone back to the home screen. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Cricket Outlast. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, we'd appreciate if you guys like, share, comment, all that great stuff. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.